Hello and welcome to our instructional video on solving single or double inequalities. In this video, we will be solving the inequality 3b plus 5 is less than 14. We will go through the step-by-step process of solving this inequality and then provide the solution in both inequality and interval notation forms. Let's get started. Step 1. To solve the inequality, we need to isolate the variable b. The given inequality is minus 3b plus 5 is less than 14. First, we need to eliminate the constant term on the left side of the inequality. The constant term here is plus 5. To do this, we subtract 5 from both sides of the inequality. Remember, whatever operation we do to one side of the inequality, we must do the same to the other side to keep it balanced. So, we subtract 5 from minus 3b plus 5 and also from 14. This gives us minus 3b plus 5 minus 5 is less than 14 minus 5. When we subtract 5 from plus 5 on the left side, it cancels out, leaving us with minus 3b on the left side. And on the right side, 14 minus 5 equals 9. So now the inequality is minus 3b is less than 9. By doing this, we have simplified the inequality and made progress towards isolating the variable b. The next part will involve handling the term with the variable, which we will address in the following steps. Step 2. Now we need to isolate the variable b completely by removing the coefficient that is multiplied by b. In this case, the coefficient of b is minus 3. To cancel out this coefficient, we need to divide both sides of the inequality by minus 3. However, because we are dividing by a negative number, we must reverse the direction of the inequality sign. This is a crucial point when solving inequalities, because the direction of the inequality changes whenever we multiply or divide both sides by a negative number. So we will divide minus 3b by minus 3, and also divide 9 by minus 3, and at the same time flip the inequality sign from less than to greater than. This is how it is expressed. Minus 3b divided by minus 3 is greater than 9 divided by minus 3. When we divide minus 3b by minus 3, the minus 3's cancel each other out, leaving just b on the left side. On the right side, 9 divided by minus 3 equals minus 9. So now the inequality is b is greater than minus 3. This indicates the solution for the variable b. Therefore, the inequality form of the solution is b is greater than minus 3. In interval notation, this is expressed as open interval from minus 3 to positive infinity. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.